Hey guys, we've got a new band on the channel today. It's called NIGHTWISH. I don't know anything about these. I know that a few people have requested that I do NIGHTWISH, but I don't know what to expect, what style of music is, or anything. So let's dive straight in and see what this is all about. Looks like some sort of cult thing, this. Bloody adverts. Straight off the bat, that music sounds like, you know, when you have like a top ranked magician and he's doing something really really dangerous and it's like a big show. That's what this music sounds like straight away. It just reminds me like a magician or something. Let's take it back. What? I've not a clue what them lyrics are about. They're all over the place. I'm really digging the sound though. Let's take it back, see if we can hear something. Sounds very medieval here, this bit, like medieval instruments, like something out of, I don't know, from the medieval times or something. This song is like The Greatest Showman when you've been on an all-night bender and taking drugs. It's like, what the hell is going on? I tell you what, though, I really, really, really love the sound. And her voice is outstanding, but I don't know what's happening. It's like I'm in a big dream. Can't work out whether it's I don't know what's happening. I really don't. I mean it goes back to this cult thing of this child with a mask on. Someone like to tell me in the comments what's happening, please. I dig the music though, and it sounds brilliant. It's not normally my type of music, but this sounds absolutely fantastic. Something about a brave new world, but I don't know what's leading up to it. her voice is really, really good. It really, really, really clean and really powerful. I do like this music. I just I think I need to look on Genius or something to find out what the lyrics mean because at the minute I'm stumped. Could this be? I mean, everyone's sat there in that room on the phones, ignoring each other. Could there be the message of the song be something to do with people being on the phones all the time and not socialising with each other? They're all sat next to each other, but they don't know what's going on in each other's lives because they're all sat in their own phone, in their own little. Is this the brand new world? The people in the phones. Maybe that makes a little bit more sense to me now. This and the song, like I say, it's brilliant. Oh. It's like gothic rock, isn't it? It's fantastic. Oh man, I love that guitar part. Then that was fucking brilliant. Oh, he's back with his bottles. Is it a song about vanity as well? Because you've got the person there having the lip fillers, and people obviously putting that like stuff into their bodies to make themselves feel better about themselves. And there's the person who's took the massive tablets. Maybe I don't know what for, but maybe it's some sort of abuse of some sort of pills. Maybe it's dietary pills or something. I don't know. I'm just speculating here. Because if she took that many pills that would have killed her, then she'd have been dead, wouldn't she? And there's got to be something to do with this child growing up, because this kid was a baby at the start and now and gone through a few stages of life. Maybe the mask over the face is the fact that people are like oblivious with phones, and they've spent their life growing up looking at phones that got a mask on, so they don't know what's going on outside. That's just a theory I've got, but if I'm right, let me know in the comments. So that king sat on the toilet and put his crown on, but then he was on his phone because we're all on our phones. I think this song is about cell phones, or mobile phones, if you like, and how much people tend to sit on the phones all the time. I could be completely wrong. Spending your life on your phone until you've got to an old age and you don't know what's happening in the world. That's the best I can break that part of the video down, I think. spend your life missing everything. And there's another one starting next. Well, I feel like I've just been to the theatre and watched a production of something, or like you say, magician music. That song was absolutely all over the place and bonkers. And I think without the video, I wouldn't have had a clue what was going on. I probably still don't. Maybe I've got everything wrong. But all I can, like I say, music is about interpretation, but musically, the instruments and the singing and really, really good. And I can't wait to check some more out. Anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Oh, let me know which songs I should be doing next. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and with the notification bells on, I shall see you on the next one. Thank you.